known landforms. An area of land surrounded by water on all sides is known as peninsula, isthmus, island, river. Right answer is island. The wide part of a river's lower end where it meets the sea is known as delta, strait, estuary, river. The right answer is estuary. A large flat area of land is known as plateau, plain, hill, foothill. The right answer is plain. A group of mountains is known as mountain peak, hills, foothills, mountain range. The right answer is mountain range. The land beside an ocean, sea, lake or river is known as bay, inlet, valley, shore. The right answer is shore. A part of the large body of salt water that covers most of the Earth's surface is known as hill, gulf, ocean, bay. The right answer is ocean. A narrow channel of water between the two larger river bodies is known as strait, sound, river, ocean. The right answer is strait. A group of islands is known as peninsula, archipelago, cape, island. The right answer is archipelago. A deep valley with steep sides is known as valley, mountain, stream, canyon. The right answer is canyon. A river or a stream that flows into a larger river or a stream or into a lake is known as inlet, river, tributary, sound. The right answer is tributary. A piece of land surrounded on nearly all sides by water. It is usually connected to a larger body of land by a narrow strip of land. Isthmus, shore, cape, peninsula. The right answer is peninsula. The highest part of a mountain is called mountain peak, mountain range, river basin, plateau. The right answer is mountain peak. A point of land that sticks out into a larger body of water is known as peninsula, cape, inlet, gulf. The right answer is cape. A large natural stream of water that flows toward a lake, ocean or other larger body of water is known as stream, ocean, river, river basin. The right answer is river. A body of water with land around it but that is open to the sea on one side is known as gulf, bay, sound, strait. The right answer is bay. A lower hill near the base of a mountain or group of mountain is known as lake, foothill, mountain range, hills. The right answer is foothill. A raised area of land is smaller than a mountain is known as hill, mountain range, canyon, valley. The right answer is hill. A large standing body of fresh or salt water that is surrounded on all sides by land is known as tributary, stream, river, lake. The right answer is lake. A long area of relatively low elevation, often having a stream bed at the bottom surrounded by mountains or hills, is known as gulf, isthmus, strait, valley. The right answer is valley. A large area of ocean partly surrounded by land is known as ocean, plateau, gulf, bay. The right answer is gulf. A high level area of land is known as plain, canyon, plateau, mountain peak. The right answer is plateau. A triangle of sand and soil deposited at the mouth of some large rivers is known as estuary, river basin, lake, delta. The right answer is delta. Low destructive areas between mountains that can be V-shaped or U-shaped are volcanoes, mountains, canyon, valley. The right answer is valley. A hill of sand that is built by either wind or water is known as valley, delta, sand dunes, hills. The right answer is sand dunes. What's the highest type of landforms? Hill, mountain, valley, desert. The right answer is mountain. If you like this video, then hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.